The New South Wales Future Fleet suburban electric trains represent a major step forward in Australia's urban rail story, designed to redefine how millions of passengers move across Sydney and surrounding regions in the coming decades. These trains are being planned as the next-generation replacement for the aging Tangara fleet, which has served the network reliably since the late 1980s. With population growth accelerating and passenger expectations changing, the future fleet is not just a routine upgrade, but a complete rethink of suburban rail travel in New South Wales. From the very beginning, this project has been shaped around capacity, reliability, and comfort. Sydney's rail network carries one of the highest passenger volumes in the Southern Hemisphere, and congestion during peak hours has long been a challenge. The future fleet trains are expected to offer higher capacity through improved interior layouts, smarter door placement, and more efficient passenger flow. Double-deck design remains central to the concept, as it is a proven solution for moving large numbers of people in dense urban environments, but it will be refined to reduce dwell times at stations and improve accessibility. Technology sits at the heart of these new suburban electric trains. Unlike older fleets that rely on legacy control systems, the future fleet is being planned with full digital integration in mind. Advanced train control systems, real-time diagnostics, and predictive maintenance technologies are expected to play a major role. This means trains can report faults before they cause service disruptions, allowing maintenance teams to intervene early and keep the network running smoothly. For passengers, this translates into fewer delays, more consistent timetables, and a stronger sense of reliability. Passenger comfort is another core focus of the Future Fleet program. Modern commuters expect more than just a seat and a timetable, they expect a comfortable, quiet, and climate-controlled environment. These trains are expected to feature improved air conditioning systems suited to Australia's extreme weather conditions, reduced interior noise through better insulation and motor design, and smoother acceleration and braking. Lighting will likely be brighter yet softer, creating a safer and more welcoming atmosphere throughout the day and night. Accessibility has become a non-negotiable standard in modern public transport, and the future fleet trains are being designed with inclusivity in mind. Step-free access, wider doors, dedicated wheelchair spaces, and clearer visual and audio announcements are expected to be standard features. These improvements are not only for passengers with disabilities, but also for parents with prams, elderly travelers, and anyone carrying luggage. The goal is to make suburban rail truly usable for everyone, without barriers or unnecessary stress. Safety remains one of the most critical elements of the future fleet design. These trains are expected to be compatible with advanced signaling systems such as ETCS, preparing the network for future automation and higher frequency services. Enhanced surveillance systems, improved driver visibility, and stronger structural safety standards will all contribute to a safer journey. In an era where public confidence in transport systems is vital, these measures help ensure that passengers feel secure every time they step onto a train. Energy efficiency and environmental responsibility are also key drivers behind the project. As electric trains, the future fleet units are expected to consume less energy per passenger compared to older models, thanks to lightweight materials, regenerative braking, and smarter power management systems. Reducing energy consumption not only lowers operating costs but also supports New South Wales' broader sustainability goals. Over the lifespan of the fleet, these improvements can lead to significant reductions in carbon emissions, reinforcing rail's role as one of the cleanest forms of mass transport. Another important aspect of the Future Fleet program is its connection to local industry and jobs. The New South Wales government has emphasised local content and skills development, aiming to ensure that a significant portion of the design, manufacturing, and maintenance work benefits Australian workers. This approach strengthens domestic rail expertise and helps build a more resilient supply chain, reducing reliance on overseas production while creating long-term economic value within the state. Operational flexibility is also expected to improve with the introduction of these new trains. Better acceleration and braking performance can allow for tighter timetables and increased service frequency, particularly during peak hours. This flexibility becomes especially important as Sydney continues to grow and travel patterns evolve. The future fleet is being planned not just for today's network, but for a future where rail services may need to run more often, later at night, and with greater consistency across the entire system. For passengers, the most visible change will be the overall experience. Clearer digital displays, real-time service information, and better integration with mobile apps and transport systems are expected to become standard. The journey will feel more connected, more predictable, and more in tune with the expectations of a modern city. Instead of simply reacting to delays or disruptions, passengers will be better informed and better supported throughout their trip. In many ways, the New South Wales Future Fleet suburban electric trains symbolize a broader shift in how public transport is viewed. Rather than being treated as basic infrastructure, suburban rail is being positioned as a premium, essential service that underpins economic growth and quality of life. These trains are not just machines running on tracks, they are moving public spaces that people rely on every day to get to work, school, and home. As the project moves closer to procurement and eventual entry into service around 2027 and beyond, expectations will continue to rise. The future fleet carries the responsibility of setting a new standard for suburban rail in Australia. If delivered as planned, these trains will define Sydney's rail identity for decades, offering a blend of capacity, comfort, technology, and sustainability that matches the ambitions of a world-class global city.